Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. Hey friends, did you know your body needs protein every single day, not just to build muscle, but to keep your energy high and keep your body strong every day? A lot of people think you can only get enough protein from chicken or eggs, but that's a myth. Vegetarian meals can actually give you all the protein your body needs, plus fiber, vitamins, and healthy nutrients, without the extra fat or cholesterol. So if you're vegetarian, or just trying to eat cleaner and healthier, here are the top 10 best high-protein vegetarian meals to keep you fit, strong, and full of energy, naturally. These meals are simple, tasty, and easy to make at home. So, stay with me till the end, because the number one meal is the healthiest and most complete source of vegetarian protein you'll ever find. Let's start our list from number 10. Number 10. Peanut butter sandwich or wrap. Let's start with something quick and easy. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter give you about 8 grams of protein. Spread it on whole wheat bread, or roll it inside a tortilla. You can also add banana slices or chia seeds for more nutrients. It's a great choice for breakfast, snacks, or when you're in a hurry. Peanut butter gives protein, good fats, and long-lasting energy. Number 9. Sprouted mung bean salad. Sprouts are super healthy and full of life. 1 cup of sprouted mung beans gives around 14 grams of protein. To make it, just mix the sprouts with chopped onion, tomato, cucumber, lemon juice, and a little salt. It's crunchy, light, and very refreshing. Sprouting increases protein and makes it easier to digest. Number 8. Quinoa vegetable bowl. Quinoa is called a super grain because it has all 9 essential amino acids, just like animal protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives about 8 grams of protein. Cook it like rice and mix it with vegetables such as peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Add a little olive oil and salt for flavor. This meal is light, gluten-free, and great for lunch or dinner. Number 7. Kidney bean curry with brown rice. Kidney beans are full of protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked kidney beans gives about 15 grams of protein. Cook them with onions, tomatoes, and spices, and serve with brown rice. This meal keeps you full for a long time and helps in muscle recovery. It's a perfect lunch or dinner option. Number 6. Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt is thicker and has more protein than regular yogurt. 1 cup gives about 10 grams of protein. Add some almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds, and your bowl can have up to 18 to 20 grams of protein. It's great for breakfast or as a post-workout meal. It also helps improve gut health and digestion. Number 5. Mung dal pancakes, lentil pancakes. These are simple, tasty, and full of protein. Just soak yellow mung dal for a few hours, blend it, and make thin pancakes. 1 serving gives about 12 to 15 grams of protein. You can add chopped veggies like onion and spinach for extra nutrition. Serve it with curd or mint chutney. Perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. Number 4. Tofu and veggie bowl. If you want a dairy-free protein meal, tofu is the best option. Tofu has around 15 to 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Cut it into cubes, fry lightly, and mix with sautéed vegetables and soy sauce. You can eat it with rice or noodles. It's light, healthy, and great for muscle building. Number 3. Paneer stir-fry or paneer scramble. Paneer, also known as Indian cottage cheese, is one of the best vegetarian protein foods. 100 grams of paneer gives around 18 grams of protein. You can cook it with vegetables like bell peppers, or make a scrambled version called paneer bhurji. It's tasty, filling, and helps in muscle repair and bone strength. Number 2. Chickpea salad. Chickpeas are full of protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives about 15 grams of protein. Mix them with tomato, onion, cucumber, lemon juice, and olive oil. It's colorful, tasty, and easy to prepare. Soak chickpeas overnight before cooking to make them softer and easier to digest. Number 1. Lentil curry with brown rice or quinoa. And finally, number 1 on our list, the lentil curry meal. Lentils are simple, affordable, and full of protein. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives about 18 grams of protein. When you eat it with brown rice or quinoa, it becomes a complete protein meal, meaning it has all the amino acids your body needs. This is one of the healthiest, most balanced vegetarian meals you can eat every day. So, friends, these are the top 10 best protein meals for vegetarians. Each of these meals is healthy, simple to make, and full of plant-based protein. You don't need meat to stay strong. These foods will keep your muscles, bones, and energy levels in great shape. Try adding 1 or 2 of these meals to your daily diet, and you'll feel the difference in your energy and overall health. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy vegetarian food ideas. And remember, watching your food is caring for your body.